lovely people, welcome to Kridaya Astro Reflection. And before I start with my video, if you're interested in personal consultation on your horoscope, you may please contact me at the links given below. All my links given below this video, the Instagram, Facebook or email are available, so you can contact me at your convenience. So today I'm going to discuss about retrograde planet. What is a retrograde planet? Well, retrograde refers to the motion of the planet when a planet is generally seen to be moving backward in motion. But does a planet really move backward in motion? No, it does not. So why it is called the backward motion of a planet, or why does it seems like the planet is moving backward? Well, a retrograde planet usually is called so because when a planet is traveling very close to Earth in its orbit, the intensity of that planet is felt very largely on the people of the Earth, on the environment of the Earth. And whatever karka that planet represents, for example, Mercury represents communication, Jupiter represents knowledge, education, these karkas get affected among people usually. For example, if Mercury is traveling close to Earth, then the communication among people will get affected. If Jupiter is going retrograde and it is traveling very close to Earth, the intensity of Jupiter will be felt very largely on people, and various matters pertaining to knowledge or education might get affected among people. So what usually happens during the retrograde motion, why it seems like the planet is moving backward? See, when the planet is very close to Earth, moving in its orbit, and at some point the Earth leaves the planet behind and it moves forward, it seems from Earth that the planet is moving backward. The planet remains behind the Earth, and though it is still moving forward, it looks like the planet is moving backward from the Earth. So this moving backward motion of the planet as seen from the Earth is called the retrograde motion of the planet. All the planets other than Sun and Moon usually goes retrograde at some point of time. Now there are various do's and don'ts regarding the retrograde season, which people should avoid and which people should incur in their habits whenever a planet is retrograde, which I'll be discussing in my upcoming videos as we come across various planets going retrograde in their motion. So I hope this clears your idea about what a retrograde motion of a planet is. Thank you so much for watching. Please join me on my other videos too. Thank you so much.